friends and loved ones. Welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious Ghanaian jollof rice in the oven. Alright, so let's start cooking. So first of all, we're going to start making our stew. So I just added my oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any preferred that you really like. And also I'm adding my seasoning. So I have rosemary, thyme, and bay leaf. Alright, so on this side I just added one large onion. Yeah, so give it a very nice stir and then have it cook for 5 minutes. Until you see the onion kind of browns up like a goldish color. Alright friends, so I'm adding here pepper, onion, garlic, ginger blend and leave it on to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. It smells so nice. With the garlic, ginger, oh, you can tell that this jollof rice is gonna taste amazing. So next I'm adding here tomato paste. If you have fresh tomato, you can add that, or even tomato sauce is absolutely fine. It depends on you, how you want your jollof rice. Alright, so I really like tomato paste because it gives that rich color when it comes to making jollof rice. So next I'm gonna add my herb tomato sauce. I really love this. You can actually eat this with spaghetti, but today we're gonna use that to prepare this jollof rice. And it's so easy because it's already cooked, so you don't have to cook it that long. Alright, so I'm adding here a few spices that I really like, but you can add your own spices, friends. Yeah, and then cover and have it cook for about 30 minutes. Alright, so now let's get our rice ready. So I just washed about 6 cups of rice and I'm adding my mixed vegetables. Alright, so next I'm adding here my stew. This is how I make my oven baked jollof rice. It's easy, especially if you're making for party, gathering, even if you're making for your family and you want to make like a large quantity. I'm going to recommend that you make this in the oven. It is super easy, fast. I mean, stress-free, compared to making that on the stove. And yeah, so I just added about 4 cups of warm water. I added extra salt. I'm gonna cover that with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven. So I'm using the broil to bake it at a high heat, and we're gonna bake it for about an hour. So this is how I look after an hour. Perfectly done. It is so yummy. All I had to do is just stir that once and that was it. Look at that jollof right there, friends. It is so yummy. I wish you can just try this recipe, guys. Even if this is your first time, I hope you will give it a try. Alright friends, like I said, if you're making for parties, gathering, yeah, this is the jollof rice for you, okay? And let me know how yours turn out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until I see you again, stay safe.